Freshdesk versus Intercom. Two standout names in customer support software. Which one really delivers? On one side, Freshdesk, bringing structured ticketing for efficient support. On the other, Intercom, built for real-time conversational experiences. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what truly sets them apart. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see who stands out in 2025. The result might just surprise you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's the mind map of everything we're going to look at today. Their primary focus, user experience, automation and AI, reporting and analytics, pricing, and, integrations too. Each one's important in deciding which platform's going to serve your team best. So, first up, let's talk about primary focus. Freshdesk is all about structured ticketing. Like, if you want to log issues, manage them, and keep the workflow organized, this is your jam. It's got robust processes, but honestly, it does feel a little less conversational. Now, on the flip side, Intercom flips the formula. It's built for real-time chat and conversational support, with loads of engagement tools. But, and this might be a downside, it doesn't really do traditional ticketing in the same way. So, if we're scoring this, honestly, it's a tie. Depends on what you want.
Next up, user experience.
Freshdesk goes for that classic, organized, ticket-first vibe. But sometimes it feels a bit rigid, you know? Like it's structured, but maybe too structured. Intercom? Oh man, it's modern, chat-first, and everything feels super streamlined. Their interface is slick, although for some people it might be almost too streamlined. Like if you want more structure, you might miss that. But overall, gotta give this one to Intercom. Moving on to automation and AI. Freshdesk brings some serious workflow automation muscle. Their AI tools get the job done. Nothing super flashy, but really cost-effective and practical. Intercom, meanwhile, offers these engaging AI chatbots that feel like you're chatting to a real human. But here's the kicker. It can get expensive if you want more advanced AI. So when it comes to value and depth, Freshdesk takes the win.
Oh, and here's something cool.
Did you know both Freshdesk and Intercom offer robust tools for different support needs? So it's kind of impressive that they carve out their own niches so well. Let's talk reporting and analytics. Freshdesk nails the basics. It gives you all the ticket metrics, SLA reports, that sort of thing, but maybe less on, like, tracking the customer's full journey. Now, Intercom gives you those customer journey insights, which is awesome. But their focus on ticket metrics and the basics, kinda limited. So, if you care about controlling ticket workflow and metrics, Freshdesk lands this win. All right, the big one for a lot of teams, pricing. Freshdesk is honestly way more affordable when you scale up, and their pricing plans have flexibility. Of course, if you keep adding features, you might see costs creep up. But generally, way more budget-friendly than Intercom. Intercom's entry price is lower, sure, but as soon as you want those premium features, oof, it gets expensive fast. Freshdesk is definitely the winner here. Last major category, integrations. Freshdesk is tight with IT tools. Like, if you need to hook into service desks or other technical tools, it's got your back. Just less on the marketing side. Intercom pairs up with all sorts of CRM and marketing apps, but not much IT focus. Honestly, they both cover pretty big ground in their own areas, so I'm calling this one a tie. Okay, so seeing all these scores side by side in a radar chart, Freshdesk kinda spreads out strong across automation, reporting, and pricing, while Intercom pops on user experience and conversational tools. Interesting to see where your needs might fit in there, right? So what's the verdict? If you need structured, organized ticketing and want your reports, Freshdesk is probably the way to go. But if you're excited by chat-first, real-time engagement, Intercom's got those strengths. Freshdesk is ideal for businesses that just need that rock-solid ticketing. But if you're itching for those conversational moments, Intercom is where you'll want to head. If you found this helpful, share your thoughts on Freshdesk versus Intercom. Which one do you think would work best for your team?